All right, Mike, what are we doing tonight?
Tonight, APC is opening up their new location up in Woodinville.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. It's their new location.
Yo, so what are we doing tonight?
So tonight we're going to APC. We're going to a car meet up in Woodinville.
All right, what are we doing tonight, Mike?
Tonight, now that we have the E30 S50 swap done, both of them are street legal. We're taking them to a car meet.
Hey.
Time to show them off.
Hey.
Show off what we've been working on. Give some stuff to do. Say hi to the vlog.
It's good, bro.
All right. We are going to try a method to get the dent out. We're gonna take this. You're way too close, dude. All right, we've got an FJ. What is this, a bottle jack?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I hammered this socket onto it, so it's quickly adjustable. And we are gonna connect this to this 2x4 down here. You see it?
Too much.
Yeah.
There you go.
How's that look? Good? All right. Okay. Hold it up. Wow. Wow. Holy crap.
What happened?
Let me demonstrate. Damn.
Fixed.
Alright, so because the dent is still pretty ugly, we're digging through some of Mai's box of stickers. Trying to figure out what we want to put to distract our viewers as we drive around from this area. Hey, what up, Justin? Hey, what's up, Vicky? Hey!
That's why I have so many pink ones. Iron-on patch for a jacket.
Got it. Dude. Sick.
Can you even clean it off?
Nope.
Actually?
Yeah.
Pretty dope.
Yep.
When am I gonna break it?
Oh, yeah. Yo. Alright, we're about to make this car look really stupid.
The transfer paper. It's a little crooked. A little more to Zach's side, towards the front of the car. Yes. Yes.
Now is just own the mismatched colors right now. We'll put a black signage on this side.
The big 29 somewhere.
Yeah, there's a 2.
88.
Yep, that's the option. This car looks ridiculous now.